Arab, what's up YouTube? I'm back again with another video, but on this video guys I will be showing you how to create a very attractive thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail, Facebook thumbnail, just a thumbnail. I'll teach you how to create a thumbnail that you can use on any you can use it on Dailymotion, you can use it on YouTube, you can use it on Facebook. A very attractive thumbnail using Photopad version 5.17 by NCH software. So the first thing that we need to do is to insert the image of what you will love that you will love to use to create the thumbnail. So you go to new, then I would love to create another clean document. Let's say 1366, and then here we say 768. Okay. Okay. I like the black one. I will love the black one. I love to make the black one. Okay. We can cut the white one. Then we can drop this. Okay. This is our Mixpad multi-track recording software. Okay. And then you can click. Okay. Let's say what I would love to do. Let's go to select. You can click here. No. Control D to deselect. I would love to start from mixing. Okay. And we come straight to the end point. You double click to deselect again. Let's come to the big at the top. Then we come to the end. Then we go to the corner. We go in top. Then we double click again to put it straight to that point. You can option, then you copy. Then you go to that black document and you click Ctrl V. Then you can resize it and make it a little bit bigger so that it can fit on this image. Okay, make sure it's a little bit professional. Okay. What else I can add? Let me think. Okay, I would love to come here to this image and click Ctrl D. I would love to add this recording panel, because on this video I'm showing you how to record a song. Click Ctrl A. Then I would like to decrease the opacity of this image a little bit, but at the same time I want it to be visible. Okay, I like it on 175. Then we can decrease the sharpness to 85 for this good, so that it can blend here. But when we decrease the opacity, it will also affect those corners, then which means we have to increase the image again for like those places here to be outside the image. Perfect. You can see what I'm talking about. Then we can click option, we can click paste. Okay, this is what I want, guys, but I want it to have like a red, maybe a red background. Okay, click X, then you go to paste it to the new project. then it's 798 over 550. Then we can say new 798 over 50. Then let's add 5, 90, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. Then we will say 98. Here we say 55. Then we change the color. Let's make it a little bit green instead of red. I just changed my mind. I will love green. Now we say okay. Then we come to this side. You click Control A, Control C. You come to this side. You click Option. You paste. Boom. So it will have that frame thing. There are two ways to do this. You can do it like the way I just did it, or you can come to this image, click Control D, or you go to our tools section, you go to the border, then you choose like the color you want. Boom. There again, you can even increase it a little bit. Then that's it. You click Control A, you click Control C. Go again to, okay, let's paste it again because I want to cartoonize it. I want to make it more interesting and more and unique. We can use our square. We can go, okay, we can zoom this. Then we can click Control D. We can copy this circle, this recording circle. Then you click copy, Control C. Okay. Then you go to your image, you click Control A, click Control C. Then you go to paste it to your image, to your thumbnail, to your original thumbnail image. Then you make it a little bigger. And we can tilt it. Okay. Then we can go to our circle again. I would love to add a little bit of a color boost and make it a very red. Okay, I don't want to make it brighter. You can just increase like the amount. Okay, yeah, this is what I want. Then you click Control A, you click Control C. You go to your image again, then you paste that circle. Don't tell me it's loading. Oh my god. Those people are really trying to tell me our circle is really small. Such a way I cannot see it. Okay. You can say 50 over 50. Then we make it a little bit 500 actually. Then we make it a little bit red, and we say okay. And then we can fade it. Put a little bit of the red wood. We put a color boost. Then we increase a little bit of brightness. And then we can go to our focus section. Then I would love it to make a little bit. I would love to make it to be white. Then you click OK. This is what I want. You go to your select. You go to your circle. Then put that way. Then you put a little bit closer to white because this button it fades. This side is very red. Here is very red. But the more you go to the top, it becomes a little bit more white here. And you can click Option and then you click Paste. then my mix pad is loading. Okay, my Photopad is loading. Okay, I'd love to delete the last one. Okay. I want to put it on this record button, like our record button is bigger than other buttons. Okay guys, I think this is kind of boring me. It's not getting to the point where I feel like it's doing exactly what I want. Okay, I have to cancel it. I have to decrease this, to this. Then we click Control A. Then we click Control C. Control A, Control C, then we copy. Then we go to paste it to the new project, because I think that's the only option it will do what we want. Then we have to recopy this circle, go back, then we paste it again. So the first thing that we have to do is to decrease the size and go to put it here. Okay, our circle is bigger than other bottle. This is what I wanted to do. Okay, another thing that I wanted to do, and to make sure that I'm doing, is to write the titles, to write the text on my thumbnail on how to record vocals in Mixpad. Then we can change the color. That's the first thing that we have to take care of. How to record vocals in Mixpad. Another thing we'll love to write be like do it like the pros. This is another thing that I would love to add. For it, I would love to put it a little bit light green, and then I'll put a shadow. I would love to make my shadow to be a very deep red, but I don't want my shadow I want it to be near to the name. I don't want it to be very far away, so that everyone can see that okay, there is a shadow. But the shadow is added there like to make like the words to stand out from the background color. Then I put it from 35. Now it's very small. Let's go to 60. Okay, I feel like 60 is more better, but it still is a little bit bigger. Let's go to 55. No, 45. Okay, yeah, feel like it's better. Okay, do it like a pros. Okay. Okay. What else I would love to add? I guess that's all. I guess that's all. So someone who would love to know how to record vocals in Mixpad can see from a distance. Okay, like this body is very big, so this video is all about how to record vocals, and someone can notice that from the distance before he passes the video. You can see, okay, here is all about how to record vocal, and if someone really wants to do it like a pros, he or she don't have any choice. He have to click the video. So guys, that is how you create like a thumbnail which is attractive and very simple. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I will be dropping more videos. You know how it goes, and you know, like we are becoming more professional. We are becoming better each and every day. Our videos are becoming better. So I would love to say thank you so much guys for the support. Keep on showing love. Let's get those 100 subscribers. Please don't forget to subscribe. Peace.